Hi, my name's Gray, and I'm in Paul Wheaton's Permaculture Boot Camp. We're out here at the lab. We're going to be taking a tree for firewood. The only thing is that it's not leaning the way we want it to fall, so we'll be using a timber tool to help us out.
From this angle, you can actually see that it is leaning to the right, and so that's where the tree wants to fall, but we actually want it to fall towards where I'm standing. Up here, you can see it right in the middle. We actually spotted a bird's nest, so using this timber tool will help us to make sure we're not going to hit that in any way.
Here, I got my tree jack. What this does is you get the foot into the ground, and then the claw goes into the tree. You just want to aim it for where you want the tree to go. So set it up right about here. Enough room. Yes, just makes it. All right, so now it's dug into the ground, dug into the tree. Timber tool is ready. As I make my cut, I'll stop periodically and increase the tension. But my cut's going to be as low as possible to give the anchor point more leverage to push the tree over.
So we got the wedge out.
Yep. And then there's no back cut. All right. It worked.
It fell in the direction that was intended. We made a larger notch than intended, and so the tree kind of just fell with the assistance of that timber tool. So next we're going to be taking off the limbs of the tree and then cutting it into manageable pieces to lift. All the limbs are off, and now Gray's just going to cut it up, like I said, into pieces. We'll put it into the truck and take it back to the woodshed to cut it to lengths and split it. Thank you for watching.